In a world where innovation meets reliability, there stands a name committed to transforming lives through advanced material solutions. Imagine transforming your space into a heaven of beauty and tranquility with structures that seamlessly blend into nature. Welcome to Polyfiber World, a pioneer in the realm of composite materials, dedicated to crafting excellence in every fiber.
I'm Rohit Tannen, and today I'm going to reveal the revolutionary change in the construction industry, which is going to cast a spell on you with its elongated designs and global aristocratic appeal. I'm talking about modular outdoor villas with the fastest and easiest assembly models for your stunning landside transformation in nature-friendly ways. And it is the first ever concept in India, and there is no one like this. Yes, I'm talking about Polyfiber World, not keeping you more intrigued. Let's step inside and explore it to the best. तो पहले मैं आपको ब्रांड के बारे में थोड़ा सा बता दूं, फिर करेंगे डिटेल्ड प्रोडक्ट एक्सप्लोरेशन। Polyfiber World specializes in the design and manufacturing of modular polyfiber landscape products, including gazebos, pergolas, and cottages. The company emphasizes nature-friendly, durable, and maintenance-free products with different finishes and a wood-like appearance, suitable for residential and commercial landscapes. They offer a 10-year warranty and a product lifespan of 25 plus years.
Led by an award-winning designer, Mr. Ankur Khandelwal, Polyfiber World is on a mission to make luxury landscape accessible to everyone. Our vision is to expand globally while promoting the Made in India initiative, creating jobs and contributing to sustainable development.
Founded in 2009, they have received multiple awards and served prestigious clients like Tata Housing, Godrej, DLF, Adani, and for smart cities. Their services include consultation, design, manufacturing, installation, and after-sales support. That means you get everything under one umbrella. One-stop design for manufacturing, assembly, जिससे आपकी सारी टेंशन खत्म. A first-of-its-kind concept of transforming raw land into a stately farmhouse and resorts. With modular cottages and exemplary decor, they offer comprehensive services starting with consultation and design, ensuring that every product is tailored to your unique needs and preferences. These modular rooms are equipped with all the amenities for a comfortable and stylish stay. With their range of innovative, maintenance-free polyfiber products, they can transform any outdoor space into a stylish and a functional area to enhance your outdoor living experience. Each product is crafted to withstand all weather conditions while maintaining its beauty and functionality. Designed to withstand the elements, these products are resistant to water, rust, rot, termites, and even earthquakes. They have PU-foam insulated walls and steel reinforced with MS engineered structures. These modular polyfiber cottages and decor are perfect for a wide range of applications, including public events, exhibitions, emergency shelters, mobile libraries, and even schools and hospitals. Whatever your vision, the team works closely with you to bring it to life, ensuring that every detail is tailored to your needs. और बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि ये प्रोडक्ट्स नेचर फ्रेंडली है, as they don't require any natural resources like sand, cement or water for assembly and generate zero emissions. This sustainable approach not only reduces our carbon footprints but also promotes a greener lifestyle. क्योंकि ये modular designs assemble और disassemble भी हो सकते हैं quickly. It is the best choice for non-construction zones and areas with limited infrastructure. No civil work is needed, allowing for fast assembly and immediate use. Well, they make a wide range of products like luxury cottage and modular room, gazebo, pergola, lampposts, planters, center table, fencing, sculpture, swimming pool, jali, pillars, washroom, guard room, bar counter, and much more. These products are very cost effective as it is maintenance free and movable. Their in-house production guarantees the fastest production time in the industry, ensuring that your dream setup is delivered and assembled swiftly and efficiently. These products not only are ideal for residential landscapes, but also for resorts, holiday homes, and also the party venues can all benefit from the quick assembly and aesthetic appeal of our structures. They are soundproof, heatproof, and fire retardant, ensuring peace of mind and safety for you and your loved ones. They use polyfiber polymer, a composite material that offers high strength, durability, and resistance to various weather conditions, making it ideal for outdoor landscape solutions. ये आपको देगा complete setup for your resorts, farmhouses, holiday homes, out homes, second home, and much more, which are suitable for all land sites. An easy assembly and hassle-free decor with smart landscape products. Polyfiber World believes in making beautiful landscapes accessible to everyone, turning luxurious products into a necessity. Their process begins with a site visit and an understanding of your requirements. Then they conduct a topography analysis and detailed planning to create a design that perfectly fits your landscape requirements for ready to move in modular cottage concept. So, make an inquiry now and visit this magical display center that has the potential to turn your landscapes into a luxurious castle in no time. Join us in revolutionizing the construction industry with our smart and sustainable and stunning outdoor solution. Polyfiber World, where nature meets luxury. Visit our experience center at Delhi today to know more about us and start transforming your outdoor spaces today. Polyfiber World, bringing your outdoor dreams to life with elegance, durability, and sustainability.